Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited and I just can't wait to share it with you. I've just received a very happy mail from Tim Holtz as a winner of Tim Holtz weekly demo. Let's go ahead and open it together. Oh wow, look at this packaging. It's a piece of art by itself. Okay, what's inside? Set of distress archival inks, my favorite shades. Look at this. This bag is fabulous. There are some distress mixed media tags, absolutely essential thing for any crafter. I will definitely play with this stencil right now. All my favorite patterns in one. And look what's inside stamp set. This is created by Tim Holtz tag. Oh gosh, it's signed. I'm going to frame it and will place it in front of my table forever. Here is a beautiful Tim Holtz stamp set called Eclectic Edges. I like it so much. So let's see what I can create with all this goodness. See how yucky it is? Before I received this happy mail, I was planning to show you how to fix a very stained, nasty journal page with a sticky back canvas and check how distress spray stains works on it. Now I'm gonna incorporate this idea to another which I recently got. And to make my tutorial more interesting for you, I decided to stitch sticky back canvas on my sewing machine. I'm sorry for that angle, but here in my studio there are no options to film from different angles right now. And I'm stitching my canvas over the edges from one side to another, just randomly switching between different seams and changing the size of stitches. Here is what we have. I'm peeling the back side. It's just a bit challenging now, but still possible. If some paper will stay around the stitches, I just don't care. Here I'm adding some background stamping with my new stamping set and new distress archival ink pads from Tim Holtz. And yes, they work on canvas, and yes, they are permanent on it. I just prefer to heat set them before applying any water mediums on top of it. A little bit of text. Now I want to create some resist before applying stains, and regular gesso is the easiest way. I'm using Ranger blending tool with foam applicator on it. When gesso is dry, it's time for spray stains. Because I don't want my page to be too bright or dark, I'm misting canvas generously before each color. By the way, the full supply list with all color names is in description below this video as usual. A little more stamping. Some stenciling with the same stencil and distress black paint. Now I'm outlining with the Sakura gel pens. I'm using black and white. If you saw a few of my previous videos, you might have noticed that I'm kind of obsessed with circle outlining. So I am. For me, it adds air and tiny movement to composition. For main composition I chose Tim Holtz Thinlits dies, and I'm putting Sizzix Adhesive sheet in the back side of Tim Holtz Ideology Blackout Kraft-stock. And I will cut them with my Vagabond 2 cutting machine. Now I'm simply peeling the back of flowers and sticking them down. I'm cutting smaller pieces with Tim Holtz Sizzix Adhesive. Here I decided to add more interest to sentiment, and I'm using sticky back canvas leftover for this. I'm rubbing ink pad over its edges just because I want it to be more visible. I'm coloring paper dolls' dresses with distress crayons and gluing them down with distress collage medium. And as a final touch, I am darkening all the edges with Distress Archival ink pad. Thank you for being with me. I hope you like this tutorial and the mini unboxing. Please give me thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on me. More pages is on the way.